The journey toward the perfect banana chip begins long before the first slice ever touches hot oil. It starts in the quiet, sunlit plantations where bananas are grown not just as fruit, but as raw material destined for transformation. Unlike the soft, sweet bananas eaten fresh, the bananas chosen for chips must meet a very specific standard. They are harvested at a stage when they are still firm, slightly unripe, and rich in starch rather than sugar. This single decision sets the foundation for everything that follows, because the internal composition of the banana will ultimately determine how it reacts to heat, how it loses moisture, and how it develops that signature crisp texture. Once harvested, the clock begins ticking. Freshness is critical. The bananas must reach the processing facility quickly to preserve their structure and prevent premature ripening. As they arrive, they are not simply accepted, they are examined. Every batch is assessed for firmness and color uniformity. This is the first layer of precision, eliminating inconsistency before the process even begins. As the bananas move into the washing stage, another layer of control is applied. Cleanliness is essential, but so is gentleness. The washing process must remove dirt and residues without damaging the fruit. High-pressure sprays are carefully calibrated so that they are strong enough to clean, yet controlled enough to maintain the integrity of the bananas. Even here, precision matters, because any physical damage could affect slicing and frying later on. The peeling stage introduces a fascinating balance between speed and care. Whether performed by skilled hands or specialized machines, peeling must be efficient without wasting fruit. The goal is to expose the clean, smooth interior without causing bruising or breakage. Each peeled banana becomes a blank canvas, ready for the most critical transformation step: slicing. Slicing is where science and engineering truly take center stage. The thickness of each slice determines everything about the final chip: its crunch, its color, and even how much oil it absorbs. If slices are too thick, moisture remains trapped inside, resulting in a chewy texture instead of a crisp bite. If they are too thin, they may overcook, turning dark and brittle. Modern slicing machines are designed to achieve near-perfect uniformity, producing hundreds of slices per minute, with consistent thickness measured in millimeters. This level of precision ensures that every slice behaves the same way during frying. Before frying, the slices often undergo a pre-treatment stage, such as soaking in water, salt, or turmeric solutions. This step may seem simple, but it plays a crucial role in controlling oxidation and enhancing flavor. Without it, slices might discolor or develop uneven tones during frying. The soaking process also helps prepare the surface of the slices, ensuring they react uniformly when exposed to hot oil. Then comes the most transformative moment: frying. This is where precision becomes absolutely non-negotiable. The temperature of the oil must be carefully maintained within a narrow range. Too low, and the slices will absorb excess oil, becoming greasy and heavy. Too high, and they will burn on the outside while remaining undercooked inside. Industrial fryers are equipped with advanced temperature control systems that monitor and adjust heat continuously, ensuring a stable environment. As the slices enter the hot oil, a rapid physical change begins. The water inside the banana evaporates almost instantly, creating tiny bubbles that escape to the surface. This process forms the porous structure that gives chips their crunch. The timing of this stage is just as important as the temperature. Even a few extra seconds in the fryer can change the color from golden yellow to deep brown, altering both taste and appearance. Once fried, the chips are removed and transferred to draining systems. Here again, precision plays a role. Excess oil must be removed efficiently to achieve the desired lightness. Vibrating conveyors and airflow systems are calibrated to shake off just enough oil without breaking the delicate chips. This step ensures that the chips are crisp, not greasy. Cooling follows immediately, and it is far from a passive process. As the chips cool, their structure stabilizes. The crispness that defines a perfect chip fully develops during this stage. Controlled airflow and temperature ensure that cooling happens evenly, preventing condensation or sogginess. Even the seasoning stage reflects the importance of precision. The amount of salt or spice must be consistent across every batch. Rotating grind to coat each chip evenly, ensuring that no piece is over-seasoned or bland. The balance of flavor must complement the natural taste of the banana without overpowering it. By the time the chips reach packaging, they are the result of countless small, precise decisions. Every step, from harvest timing to slicing thickness, from frying temperature to seasoning balance, contributes to the final product. The perfect crunch is not a coincidence. It is engineered through discipline, consistency, and an unwavering attention to detail. What seems like a simple snack is, in reality, the outcome of a highly controlled process where even the smallest variation can make a difference. And that is what makes each crisp, golden chip so satisfying, the hidden precision behind every bite. Behind every perfectly sealed packet of banana chips lies a system built on cleanliness, advanced technology, and strict quality control. While the crisp texture and rich flavor may capture the consumer's attention, it is the unseen processes, the hygiene protocols, the machinery, and the inspections that ensure every chip is safe to eat and consistent in quality. The moment bananas arrive at the factory, they enter an environment designed to meet rigorous food safety standards. Workers wear protective clothing, including gloves, hairnets, and masks, minimizing the risk of contamination. The facility itself is structured to separate raw material areas from finished product zones, preventing cross-contamination at every stage. The washing process serves as the first major line of defense. It removes dirt, pesticides, and any external impurities that may have come from the or during transportation. The water used is often filtered and treated, ensuring that it meets strict hygiene standards. This step is not just about appearance. It is about ensuring that the product is safe from the very beginning. As the bananas move forward, technology begins to play a larger role. Conveyor systems transport the fruit without unnecessary human handling, reducing the risk of contamination. Automated peeling and slicing machines operate in controlled environments, ensuring that the process remains consistent and hygienic. One of the most important aspects of modern food production is minimizing direct contact. The less the product is handled by humans, the lower the risk of introducing bacteria or foreign particles. This is why automation is not just about efficiency, it is about safety. During frying, the high temperatures act as a natural sterilization step, eliminating most microorganisms. However, the oil itself must be carefully maintained. It is regularly filtered and monitored to ensure it remains clean and free from degradation. Using poor quality or overused oil can affect both safety and taste, which is why strict standards are enforced. After frying, the chips move through controlled environments where exposure to contaminants is minimized. Air filtration systems help maintain clean air within the facility, reducing the presence of dust and airborne particles. This ensures that the chips remain as pure and clean as possible. Quality control is integrated throughout the entire process. Not just at the end, sensors and cameras are often used to monitor color, size, and shape in real time. If a chip appears overcooked, undercooked, or broken, it can be automatically removed from the line. This level of precision ensures that only the best chips make it to packaging. Human inspectors also play a vital role. Their trained eyes can detect subtle imperfections that machines might miss. This combination of human judgment and technological precision creates a robust system where quality is constantly monitored and maintained. The packaging stage introduces another critical layer of protection. Modern packaging machines operate in clean, controlled environments, sealing chips quickly to prevent exposure to air and moisture. Many packages are filled with nitrogen gas, which helps preserve freshness by preventing oxidation. This not only extends shelf life but also maintains the crisp texture consumers expect. Even after packaging, quality control does not stop. Samples from each batch are often tested to ensure they meet taste, texture, and safety standards. This continuous monitoring ensures consistency across production runs, so that every packet, regardless of when or where it is purchased, delivers the same experience. Sanitation procedures extend beyond the product itself to the entire facility. Equipment is regularly cleaned and sanitized to prevent buildup of residues. Floors, surfaces, and machinery are maintained according to strict schedules. These routines are essential for preventing contamination and ensuring long-term product safety. Technology also enables traceability. Each batch of banana chips can be tracked back to its source, including where the bananas were grown and when they were processed. This allows manufacturers to quickly identify and address any issues, ensuring accountability at every stage. The result of all these efforts is trust. Consumers may not see the washing systems, the sensors, or the sanitation routines, but they rely on them every time they open a packet. They trust that the chips are safe, clean, and consistent, and that trust is built through rigorous processes that leave nothing to chance. In the end, the true strength of a modern banana chip factory lies not just in its ability to produce large quantities, but in its commitment to doing so safely and consistently. Hygiene, technology, and quality control are not separate elements, They are deeply interconnected, forming a system that protects both the product and the people who enjoy it. And so, every crisp bite carries more than flavor. It carries the assurance of a process designed with care, precision, and responsibility at its core.